Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Subex Limited. This company is quite weak in financials, and this company also a oldest company that founded in India. It has more than 50 years of experience, but the stock of this company is quite weak because of the management and some issues regarding the government policies. But the company has shown a swing trade opportunity now, and one of our subscriber asked the channel to make video on this company. So we are here to serve you. So you make sure subscribe to our channel so that we will grow and make such videos in future. And if you like the video, hit like button so that we will be encouraged to do videos on daily basis. Now let's move to the technical part of the chart. The chart on listing had a hype and went up nearly 7 times the listing price, but at the same speed it came back below the range of 20. It's a drastic downfall from such top. Actually, this stock didn't follow the financials so tight, but these days the stock is in the hands of bulls. Look at the volume here. The volume are increasing steadily, and the candles also shows the same increase in volumes. So it's good to take trade in this stock, and I think the stock may hit the line of price range of 93 because it's the nearest resistance zone. This resistance can be easily attained because the stock crossed the major resistance here. So once the resistance is crossed, it becomes a support for the stock. So this support will act as support for the stock for a long time, and I think the stock might consolidate here a bit, but it will reach to the 90 level once the consolidation was over. But this consolidation will not take so much because the bulls are very strong in the stock. Now let me move to the weekly chart. In this weekly chart, look at the candles here. The candles are showing the bulls are very strong in the stock, and the stock actually trading just above the resistance area. So the stock will retrace at the support level. Now the stock broke the resistance, and the resistance now become a support. So now the stock will retrace at the support level and reach to the next resistance. This is how a price action works. This is how a stock market price action works. Now we should analyze the stock on daily basis to get the entry and exits. The stock is currently showing a slight bearish signal because it just broke a small trend line. So this may consolidate, the stock may consolidate a bit because it is a rising wedge. The rising wedge was broken here. Actually it also retraced here, so we should be cautious on the next move. So let me draw the major support line here. This can be considered as a support for the stock, and the stock is currently in a small triangle pattern. So one can take the target of the pole of the triangle. It's also called as pennant pattern. So one can take entry above the range of 65, 60 or 65. 60 can be taken as the ideal entry, and the first target is at 72 range, which is a 15% ROI, return on investment. But we should be cautious because the stock is already in the downtrend, so going long in a downtrend stock is dangerous, and it also broke a rising wedge, so it is also a dangerous thing to go long. But the stock is quite bullish because look at the candles and volumes. The candles are very huge, but the red candles are very small, so the sellers are weak, but sellers may get power once the stock broke the range of 55. So if the stock placed a closing above 60 range, then 72 range can be taken as the target for the stock, which is a 14% upside from the current market price. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button and hit subscribe button and along with the bell button, so that you will get the instant notifications of the videos published in our channel. And feel free to comment below your questions and queries and suggest us some videos which you want to analyze in our style. And thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.